Managing a growing equipment rental business manually? Here's how you can track, maintain, and monetize your equipment with EZRentOut, a holistic rental management system. In this video, we'll walk through how the platform helps you stay on top of asset tracking, service management, and billing workflows, whether you're running a single location or multiple sites. Start with tracking what equipment you have, where it exists, and who's using it. EZRentOut's Items module manages your equipment with on-the-spot check-ins through quick scanning and bulk uploads. Log who took what, when it came back, where it went, and what condition it's in. Every scan updates the system instantly, so your records stay accurate and your assets stay protected. No more paper trails or isolated spreadsheets. Planning for upcoming jobs? The availability calendar shows which assets are available, already booked, or scheduled to return. You can schedule rentals confidently and avoid double booking. Easily group your fleet by category, job site, or project, so the right assets are always just a click away. From dispatch to return, every rental follows a clear, trackable path. You always know what's out, what's overdue, and what's ready to go. Visibility like this means less downtime, fewer surprises, and a whole lot of confidence. When a machine fails mid-job, it's not just a delay. It's lost time, lost money, and a lost client. EZRentOut helps you stay ahead of failures with service alerts triggered by engine hours, mileage, or other usage indicators. With our service triage, urgent issues get priority while routine maintenance happens on time. Turn every alert into action with work orders. Assign technicians, log tasks, and track parts all in one place. No signal out in the field? No problem. Our mobile app lets you manage work orders even if you're offline. Automate preventive service in a few clicks, so your equipment always stays in peak condition. When your maintenance runs this smooth, your entire operation runs stronger. Missed charges, manual follow-ups, margins that vanish by the hour. That's what rental billing looks like without control. EZRentOut changes that. Create standard or custom orders based on client needs, and let the system handle invoicing, taxes, and penalties with accuracy. If you're using QuickBooks, EZRentOut syncs invoices straight into your account, so everything stays organized. Integrating with Stripe and Square means you spend less time chasing payments and more time running your business. Bundle equipment, accessories, and services into packages, apply smart pricing rules, and let automation do the upselling. Big clients expect terms that work for them. EZRentOut lets you set contract-level billing and customer-specific pricing, so your system reflects business realities while you focus on relationships. Represent your business with custom templates for quotes, orders, and invoices. And with reports on utilization, revenue, and more, you don't just grow, you grow smarter. From check-in to checkout, from maintenance to final invoice, EZRentOut gives you clarity, control, and confidence every step of the way. Track what matters, maintain what earns, monetize what moves your business forward. Ready to take control? Book a quick walkthrough with our team.